Hello everyone, welcome to a video about the EtherForce business plan. Today we're going to understand what the EtherForce business plan is about and how you can earn with it. In this video, we will discuss EtherForce and provide you with complete details about this plan, what you will learn, what this plan is, how you can earn from it, how to join it. Let's get started with the video now. Key features of EtherForce: decentralized system. This plan is 100% decentralized and transparent. There's no owner or admin. The system runs on automation. Any earnings are directly credited to your Trust Wallet or SafePal wallet. No withdrawal requests are needed. High-speed transactions. Thousands of transactions happen per second in this system. The transaction cost is extremely low, often as little as 1 rupee. Earnings potential. You can earn Ethereum, which currently costs over $3,000 per unit. You can start this plan with just $3 or approximately 275 rupees in INR. The plan requires a minimum of 0.001 Ethereum in your wallet. How to get started? Download Trust Wallet or SafePal wallet from the Play Store and create an account. You can find numerous tutorials online for guidance. Start the plan with $3 and gradually upgrade to higher slots to increase earnings. There are 12 slots in total and you can begin with as many as you like. As your earnings grow, reinvest in higher slots for more opportunities. How the referral system works. Direct referral bonus. When someone joins through your referral and buys the first slot, you receive 90% of the income. The remaining 10% is divided, 5% for royalty and 5% for system maintenance. For example, if someone purchases the first slot for $3, you will earn $2.7. Slot upgrades. Slots beyond the third provide 45% of income, ensuring ongoing earnings as your team upgrades the slots. Spillover benefit. The system works on a top to bottom, left to right placement. This means that even if your direct referrals are inactive, you may receive members from your upline, boosting your network. Levels and earnings. Level 1. You earn $2.7 from each referral. Reinvest $4 to unlock the second level. Level 2. Each member contributes $3.6. With 4 members, you earn $14.4. Reinvest $14 to unlock the third level. Level 3 and beyond. Earnings increase exponentially as more members join and upgrade slots. Why upgrade slots early? If someone in your team upgrades to a slot you haven't purchased, the income will be passed to the next eligible upline. To avoid losing income, stay ahead in slot upgrades. Royalty income. A percentage from every package sold goes into the royalty pool. This royalty is distributed among rank holders based on their contributions. Business opportunity overview. Start with as little as $3, 275 rupees in INR. Build your team, refer people and earn Ethereum. Reinvest in higher slots to unlock more income streams. With higher participation, your earnings will grow significantly. EtherForce offers a transparent, decentralized system with a robust income potential through direct referrals, spillover benefits, and slot upgrades. So what are you waiting for? Join the plan today and start earning.